Hey guys, so today we are back for another video, and today we are going to be unboxing some Piratix Shark Treasure. So yes, in case you don't know, at the time I'm recording this, I think I should upload it the same day I record it, the 31st of July 2025, Piratix Shark Treasure has released in the UK, released a year ago in Spain, but yeah, now we've got it, so I decided to get some. Now, I did feel for 2 boxes in my local Sainsbury's and found a Big Jaws. Hooray! However, that is the only one pack I have opened. I've only got 3 here. I think I'll probably use the others for YouTube Shorts. I've got 3 2-packs, UK exclusives, and Captain Newton's Mega Pack, because I plan to get all of the Captain packs anyway. So I figured I'll get one for the logbook and a guaranteed crystal, but I decided not to get the other 2. Also, it's weird they've only done 50% of them. I don't entirely know why. But anyways, yeah, that's a minute of talking. Let's just start. So, the 1 pack. Let's go for it. Why do I open up upside down? It's because the slit is here. So, I don't know. Is it a crystal? Oh, yeah, it's Diver Dave. That's a good first one, who isn't Big Jaws. Yeah, look at him. He's cool. And he is crystal. We've got the toy range checklist, sorry, which essentially means play sets in this context. Got sub-series 1 and 2 play sets there. Done a big thing for the Kraken ship because it'll earn them the most money. Let's do a 2-pack, shall we? Have now Spain, or I don't think anywhere else did get these. However, the UK has. Is that gold, I see? Or is it crystal? Let's find out. Let's see. Yep, that is gold. This is Captain Perry's gold. Very nice. He's like a knight, I think. Yeah. Got a nice translucent thing. Then again, I think all pirates in this series do. Who's the other one? Oh, Donny Blow. Nice. And we have the normal checklist. I've not looked at this yet because so far the 2 checklists I've had have been toy range checklists. So this is the checklist. You've got Shark Island there, the Treasures, Big Jaws, the Abyssal Crew. They've got 2 flags. One is of the diving suit thing, and the other one is of a shark. But yes, there's the checklist. Nice. Boom. Right, let's go for a 1-pack, shall we? Ah, here we are. Oh, we've got... It's a funny name there, but they're a cat. They do cat things. 2 box over there. Nice. Shall we open our final 1-pack? Yeah, let's open the 2-pack. If it wants to open, that is. Right, let's see. Let's take out the checklist. I think that's the orange. It's the normal checklist. Oh, we've got Mr. Rufus, who is the clown. And, another gold. Oh, it's another Captain Perry's gold. What? Oh, and he's got a different coloured thing, I think. Oh, yeah, the captains have that, don't they? Yeah. Got about that. Nice. Like, it's a bit weird, but nice. I reckon the entire box might just be mainly Captain Perry's golds. Right, this fits here for some reason. Let's open it. Oh, it is... Oh, what's his name? Please be the sensible checklist. Yes, right, I'm going to look at his name. Bison Joe, is it? I think, yeah, it's Bison Joe, that's it. Nice. And now, the final 2-pack. We've still got the Mega Pack to unbox. Right, take out the open thing. Then pull out the check of the list. Oh my gosh, it's another Big Jaws. What? Really? I was not expecting that. And it's got the right coloured staff. Oh, that is amazing. Who's the other thing? Oh, it's, no, I can't remember your name. But still another Big Jaws. That's, I think, one of the first times on the channel for anything I've got an ultra rare on camera. Look at him. So the other one I got today had the red treasure, but now I've got the blue one. Yes, and then once again I can't remember your name. It's something, I think it's got something to do with cold. Still, I can't just throw Big Jaws. I'm gonna put him in the box. If you haven't seen Big Jaws, there you go. Very nice. Now for the mega pack. Once again, I find it very strange there's only 3 instead of just making one for each captain. Perhaps they just made too many of some of the captains. But I've just got 2 Captain Perez golds, so evidently not. I don't know. But yeah, that's not the first time I've seen people get Big Jaws in 2 packs. Perhaps buy 2 packs if you want Big Jaws. Now, because this is a thing, it shouldn't have checklists in. Right, let's see. Who have I got? Oh, I think this is This is the captain. So I suppose we're starting to make up the captain. Yes. So this is Captain Newton. Oh, they have got checklists. That's weird. Perhaps they just give you the one. So yes, there's the treasure, and there is Captain Newton. Well, I should put the rare things in the box. But everybody can go in the box. That'll be nice. Right then, what will be next? Let's see. We should get 1 crystal. However, I have a theory because, in case you may or may not know, Super Things Evolution, you advertised to get 1 glow in the dark Super Thing, but you actually pretty much always got 2. So perhaps this is the same. Right, we have. Oh gosh, you remind me of what's it? This mouse super, not super, Piratix from Golden Treasure. And they have all got checklists. I don't entirely know what your name is. In the box. Here we are, next. Oh, have we got a crystal? No, we have not. Oh, it's you. You're in the, are you a wrecking crew, I want to say? Once again, I don't know the name. I do apologise for that. I'm not particularly good at names with Piratix. Other than with Golden Treasure. I'm pretty good at Golden Treasure. Now, crikey, this is huge. Perhaps it's just got loads of air in it. Yeah, I've deflated it. Right, let's see. Who's in here? Oh, this looks... Let's see, is it crystal? No, it's another skiing man. Oh, yeah. What have we learned? Why am I throwing them in the bags? Oh, what am I doing? Right, we should have the logbook in here. Right, is this... the last 2 Piratix. Let's have a look at the logbook, shall we? I believe these will probably be available for free in the Entertainer, whenever the Entertainer get them. But yes. Okay, that is some nice art. Yeah. It's essentially a big checklist. Oh, it gives you the story of the Abyssal crew. That's nice. And then there's a big checklist. And then there's loads of catapults and sea speeders. Nice. Because the magic box wants money. Yeah, that box is finished. I'm still going to keep it. Right, we need our crystal. Where's our crystal? I want my crystal. Oh, I found it. Oh, it's Long Sparky. Oh, he's really cool. He's like, and he's got like the electric bolt as a thing. That must have been what I felt earlier. I was thinking it's far too small to be Big Jaws, and it's weird shape. But who is it then? Right, let's open sesame this. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's you. I'm determined because it's the last one to find out what their name is. Let's see. Please be a sensible checklist. Yes. I feel like he's party crew, I want to say. A party crew. Where is it? He is named Weighty Jack. strange name. He's got like a broken bottle, which if I turn it around, you may or may not be able to see. It's got like a skull on it. You really can't on camera. But anyways, yes, thank you for watching. Sorry that it's a long video, however, I've had a lot of fun. Oh, there we are. And I have found another big Jaws. Hooray! So yes, and that's all I think will be it for the video. Also, just want to quickly keep you updated on the Super Zinc situation. I have ordered the carry case, the Ultra Strikers, and the Piratix. So expect a video/videos, haven't quite decided yet, on those relatively soon. They should arrive tomorrow. Can't guarantee the video will be up tomorrow. But anyways, yes, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys!